Hello and welcome to the AFL Auto Blends 3D car creation channel. This is the next in the Chevrolet Corvette C6 blender tutorial series. In this episode we're continuing to model the bumper. So the guide mesh for the bumper, and this is where we sort of left it last time. So just looking at this, just to get on, we need to shape this bit, and my aim is in this episode to fill in all this, so, and then potentially do some more down here, but we'll have to see how we get on. Okay, so let's jump into it. So if we have a look at the side view, so this vertex and this vertex need to be joined. Not this vertex, that vertex, this one. So these two need to be joined, so press F to join them. Okay, we'll go to the top view to have a look at what we've got. So we've got corresponding vertices there. So I'm going to stick in, what, 4? So press Ctrl and R over that, scroll up on the mouse until you've got 4, and you can see down the bottom left of the screen it will tell you number of cuts. So 4 it is. Okay, now we're trying to match up that line, which looks a bit difficult from the front, but we'll see. So let's just take it down for now. And just take this one down and this one, just to get a rough view, and that I think seems reasonable. Let's have a look. No, I've joined the wrong one, so press Ctrl Z all the way down. It's not that one, it's this one. And 3, and this one. This is quite tricky actually, it's not 7, where are we? Let's have a look. So I think what do I think? See, in essence this goes round here. So there's the this is the if we press Z and go into wireframe. So this is the headlight, and the headlight comes down here and round here. So then this is at the top of that line. So what I'm going to do is press G twice and move that up to here. Now to keep the curvature, I'm just going to move that in slightly, just to maintain the curvature around. I'm going to press G twice and bring this one back. Press this one and press G twice and bring back, just so we've got enough room to go around here. This looks a bit low on the, let's have a look at the front view. Yeah, I was right. so this just needs to go up a little bit. So G, and just bring it up to about there. So then we're joining up right. So I'd say we join this one with this one and press F. So that's immediately looking better. So 7, let's scroll down and get our, so we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I'd say. So Control and R, scroll up on the mouse till you got 5 cuts and press. I'm going to bring this down. To here. This line here denote, I mean this is a little bit of a, let's have a look. So press 3 on the numpad. 3 on the numpad. Let's just scroll up and have a look at this. Yeah, so that is, yeah, it's tricky to see what we're doing here. I think this one's right because that is capturing that, and we've got this, and we've got this line just above it, and this runs down sort of on that line there. Okay, so we need this line to go down, and it's literally on the so I'm going to pull that down to there and pull this one down to there, and then this one here to match the curve. I'm going to smooth this out by pressing Loop Tools and Relax, that's better. Okay, so let's have a look at the top view, see where we are. Right, so move them all down. And where are we on there? So I think we come down quite a bit actually to here. This one I'm moving up. This one, just looking at this subdivide line. So let's choose these and press right mouse, Loop Tools, Relax. Let's scroll around, see where we are with that. So yeah, that looks like we're getting somewhere with that. Okay. So what we can do is we can fill the area. Am I still happy with this? Yes. So G twice and move this just down a little bit. G twice and move that up a little bit. Just got to try to maintain that curve around. Okay, so let's have a look, see what we got. So I'm going to put another loop cut in between these two. So press right mouse and just subdivide that. Okay, so let's face up. We want vertices coming down here. So I'm going to join this one to this one, press F. I'm going to put 3 loop cuts in here. And highlight those 3, go to the side view, and where are we? Z, solid. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Because we've got we've got to get the shape of this right. Okay, so let's just face these up and see where we are. So press F. Ooh. So we only want that and that. Then we'll just press F down the line until we've got to there. So that's fine. Not sure of this one. So we want this line coming down here, but we want this to be curved around here, but what for now I'm just going to dissolve that vertice. I'm going to grab these two and press F to fill that in. Go to front view, so press 1. This one I'm going to pull over a little bit, so G twice and bring that to there. This one looks a little bit out of place, so move that across to there. Okay, so topology isn't looking too bad from there. Worry about this bit after we've completed this, but essentially we've got, how many have we got here to join up? So we've got so we've got, how many got? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vertices there, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got one vertex too many here. So I'm going to dissolve that one. Ooh, just that one. X dissolve vertex. Then I'm going to choose this one and this. Hit the control key and press that one, and go to loop tools and let's space this out. So that's better. Okay, let's press relax as well. So loop tools, relax. So that gives it more of a curve. Right, so I'm going to join these two and press F. Highlight this and Control and R and scroll up till you got 2. Got 3 there. So Control and R, hover over that and scroll up till you got 2 loop cuts there. Okay, so press these top 2 and press F all the way down to the bottom. So that's that. Do the same here, press these 2 and press F, hover over that, Control and R till you got 2 loop cuts, grab these 2 and press F. They're on the end there, so just grab these 4 and press F, grab these 2 and press F twice. Okay, so we've got that filled in, that filled in now. These 2 need to come out a bit to about there. So we're looking at this curve, okay. Presumably these have got to be pulled out as well at some point. So let's join can still keep doing that, or we can just join this to this and press F, and then this to this and press F. So now we've got 4 loop cuts on each of those lines to put in, so let's put these in. No, I'm going to do it the way we were doing it. So press Control Z, get these out of the way. Okay, so let's join these two. Control and R. Now 2. Well, let's press F first. So F. Now Control and R. Scroll up till we've got 2. Okay, let's have a look now. So we'll face this up. So press F. Select these 2. Press F twice. So that's looking okay. Now these 2. And press F. Scroll up on the mouse. So we've got 2. And select these 4. And press F. Select these 2 and press F twice. Join these 2 up. Press F. Scroll on the mouse till you've got 2. And choose these 4 vertices and press F. Select these 2 and press F twice. So we're getting there now. So choose these 2, F, scroll on the mouse till you've got 2, choose these 4, and press F, choose these 2 and press F twice to fill that in, and now we've simply got this one, this one, this one, and 2 vertices here, so it's this one. And press F. Ooh. Make sure we get deselect these. So press F. Now select these 2 and press F twice. That's not working, is it? Ah, we've got a bit of an issue here. Right, let's press Control and Z. It wasn't that one, it was this one. So let's have a look, because this doesn't look right. So let's have a look in wireframe. So press 3 to go into wireframe. Let's have a look at this. So this isn't right at all. So let's merge these at last. So press M, merge at last. And we'll worry about this. So Z, solid, let's have a look at this. No, that's okay. That's okay. I might actually dissolve this edge. So let's do that for now and put it back in later. So dissolve edge, else it just complicates things. So, where are we? Just contemplating whether to join these 2. I've got 4 there. I'll tell you what, I'm going to put another loop cut in here. So put that loop cut in there. Press this one, G twice. Just put it on an angle. Press 3 to go into Let's move that over there. What we want is this to keep this. We'll join this one to this one, so merge at last. And now I'm just going to delete. Oh no! So we can either merge those two, or we can just from here to here press X and remove edge loop. That didn't work, so X, dissolve edges, so X and delete edges. So we've now got these three to do, so X, delete vertices. Okay, so we're there now. So let's join these four, which we can just change at a later date. So I'm going to press A, press Control and N, Shift and N, sorry. Now grab these two, I'll press F. No, that's not working. I think there's two vertices here, that's right. So let's get rid of this one, X, vertice, right. So choose these two and press F twice. Okay, so where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Now, going to have a little try in here, just in there. So I think what I want to do is I think I'm going to join these two. It's all about having, so we've got two loop cuts in here, and then we've got three things here. So what I'm going to do is put a loop cut down the middle there, go to top view, and let's nudge it out a bit. So press G and press the down arrow key 2 or 3 times. Okay, now we're going to dissolve this edge loop. So dissolve edges, and now we're going to space out these. So let's grab this one and press G twice. Actually, we want just one in the middle there, don't we? So let's dissolve this one, X, and dissolve edge. Right. So if I join those two, so I'm going to test this one out. So merge at last for that. I'll tell you what, no, I'm going to put these back in. Go back to where we were. Right. So I'm going to join these four up, so press F. Now these four, and press F. So what have we got here now? This and this need joining. J. doesn't work because of this, so press right mouse and subdivide. So put vertex in there, press these two and press J. That's okay. So we're getting somewhere. Join these two and press F, and right mouse and Control and R in the middle there. Press these two and press F twice. You'll have a bit of jiggery pokery with these right at the end. So join these up and press F, Control and R through the middle here. Press these two and press F twice. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. So what are we doing now? I'm going to join these up to press F. Then we're going to have an awkward quad just here. So if we join this to this, press J. Yeah, we're going to have to join these two as well. Press J. Press these four and press F. So we've got the quad there, and we've just got this little one in the middle there. So go to top view. Let's have a look at this topology. It's not looking brilliant, is it? Right. So press G twice on this one. Just get a bit of curvature there. I'm going to go from here to here. I'm going to press Loop Tools and Relax. Let's see what we've got. Then I'm going to join these, press Loop Tools and Relax. So that's looking a lot better now. I think this one's a bit high. Press 3. Let's have a look. I really want this one to come down and join here, and then this to come over. So I'm going to try to fashion that now. So G twice, bring this over, G twice, bring this over, then G twice and bring this over. Let's straighten them up. G twice, bring this, where are we? So G twice, and then just move these G twice again. Okay. Looks a little bit better. This one, let's go on that, on the Y, just slightly. Okay, so what were we saying? Yeah, this is where it's wrong. This line needs to come down here. So let's get this transition a bit better. So there, G twice, there. Merge these together, so press M, merge at last. G twice this one. So we've got that coming down. And this one, and choose X and dissolve the edges. So that looks a lot better. And this one needs to come up. So we've got a couple of quads, tries here, but not too worried about that at the moment. If we need to, we'll we can eradicate that one at some point. I'm half tempted for this to come round to here. For now I'm going to leave it. It doesn't look too bad. So choose Object, Shade, Smooth. Yeah, it's not quite right there. So we've got try, and try. We've got tries all the way along here. So this is not going to work, but I think we'll have a look at this in the next episode. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.